Okay, guys, quick rundown on editing and approving employee timesheets after they have been submitted. So you want to go ahead and log into your account. And as you can see with admin rights, you have many different menu items, but the one thing we are interested in is the approvals report, and that is going to be listed under report. Here you will be able to edit and approve employee time cards. You want to select the week or the pay period. In this case, we will select the current week. Here you got a list of the active timesheets. And first we want to, before we approve, we want to review the timesheet. And if we want to make an edit, this is where we do it. So we will make a change from 2 hours to 5 hours of sick time. Go ahead and close that. Select approve. And that is it. If, for example, you need to reject a time card, the way you do that is you unapprove it, and it gets put in the submitted tab where you can then reject it. Once you reject a time card, an email is sent to the employee with the rejection message. In this case, we're going to request that the employee resubmit his time card. And that is it. I recommend you browse through some of the menu items, get a feel for how TSheets operates. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Go ahead and log out. And that is it.